Hi, my name is Sean Rambo. Welcome to a video overview of how to look up a zip code for a particular shipment given the other pieces of information on, such as the address and a phone number. This is an important aspect of, or one, as I'll say, one of the most important aspects when you're processing a shipment in the mailroom of knowing the zip code for a particular shipment and or any particular shipment. And and in this video you're gonna see why this is gonna be a very critical slash important aspect for when you're processing shipments slash shipments in the mailroom. So let's get started. So as viewers can see here, we have we have the person who's the sending out a shipment, which is known as the send to and from. We are given the name of the person, and we are given a company, and and line here on the company, we're given a particular address here, right here, circled in green, with a particular phone number. Now, viewers will notice one very important missing part of this information that is missing here. What is that? That would be the zip code of that particular place. So now let me explain why that's important. And because if you, as I mentioned before, and I'll mention it again, if you do not have the zip code of a particular address for when you're sending out a shipment from the mailroom at any workplace, while the label wanna or I'll say while the label might be created, then it's either A, it's going to be created and will most likely get sent back to where it was sent out from, or B, you will get an error message saying that uh that a zip code must be provided. So now you're gonna see me demoing here of why when you don't have a zip code, why you can't even do anything with it. And you're gonna see here why. Oh, and another thing I want to point out to that I that in this video, if you do not want to save, if you do not want the system like the FedEx ship manager or yeah, the FedEx ship manager to save this information in the system, do not put anything in the recipient ID here. Leave this blank. Rather, and leave the company name out if you don't if the company name is not provided, don't fill this out either. Just fill in the contact name, the address, the postal code, the state Providence, wherever it's going, and the city. And if there's a telephone number, provide that as well. So now, as you can see here, as you just saw, you see, you will not even be able to without no zip code. The shipment is going nowhere. The shipment will you will not be able to successfully process whatever whatever the whatever the shipment of where it's going to if you do, of any particular package. If you do not have a zip code, package is going nowhere. And then and of course, as for what most viewers can know, for that to be an easy fix, if you're given the information as you just saw me enter there, if you're given all the other pieces of the information, with the exception of the zip code, you could just simply look up like for any particular address, similarly like this. What is the particular address for XYZ place, etc., etc. And you see, it will return you with the with whatever the zip code is there, and based on by just a simple Microsoft Bing or Google search, you'll be able to find that piece of information right there, assuming that you have all the other pieces of information with the exception of the zip code. And once you do that, you'll be able to fill in the rest of the information with when you enter the postal code, such as yep, the city and state Providence, and the rest is well straightforward from there, as I've explained in and how to process a domestic shipment in one of my other videos there that I did and posted on YouTube. And the rest is downhill. The rest is downhill and straightforward from there. So, in summary, what can viewers take away from this video? As I've mentioned it throughout the video, and I'll say it again, just to prove my point is without no zip code for a particular shipment, whether it's domestic, overseas, such at any place facility in China, wherever it is it's going, no no postal code, shipment's not going anywhere until you can get that. Then you'll be able to finish processing the shipment to be sent out from the mailroom. And if you want to be double assurance that that wherever the shipment is going to make sure to ask whoever the person is sending this shipment to confirm the zip code to where that person's particular shipment is going to. So that way it will it will not be any issues while processing the shipment. So this is something that viewers can take away, and this is one of the most important aspects that viewers can easily overlook and think that you still be able to you and viewers might think in their minds you'll still be able to process the shipment without no zip code and somehow get away with it. Nope, not in this case. You won't. So that's something for viewers to take into consideration as you're processing shipments for regular domestic or even any overseas shipments. A zip code for a zip code and or even possibly a phone number is a must for sending out any shipments out from the mailroom. So yeah, that's um that's something viewers should take into consideration and keep in mind as you're doing this process of sending shipments out from the mailroom. All right, that's all I have in this video. I hope you found this video overview very helpful. Thank you for watching.